What if I told you procrastination is not laziness? It's actually your brain trying to protect you. Think about it. Every time you delay a task, it's usually not because you don't want success. It's because that task makes you feel uncomfortable. Maybe it feels boring, overwhelming, or even scary, and your brain hates discomfort. So what does it do? It chooses something easier. Scrolling your phone, watching videos, doing anything that gives instant relief. This is called mood repair. Your brain is not focused on long-term success. It's focused on feeling good right now. That's why you say, I'll do it later. But later becomes tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes never. Now, here's the powerful part. To stop procrastination, you don't need more motivation. You need to make the task feel easier. Start small. Instead of saying, I'll study for 2 hours, just say, I'll study for 5 minutes. That's it. Because once you start, your brain stops resisting. Action creates momentum. Another trick? Remove distractions before you begin. Put your phone away. Sit in a clean space. Make it easier to focus than to escape. And most importantly, don't wait to feel ready. No one feels ready. People who succeed, they start even when they don't feel like it. So next time you catch yourself procrastinating, don't blame yourself. Understand your brain. Then take one small step, because that one step can change everything.